Hi, I'm Max Fan from Sportbike and today we're going to be talking about the all-new Alpinestars GP Tech V2 leather gloves. So to be honest, I couldn't wait to be doing this video for you guys today. These gloves are super sweet, never felt anything like them. So let's talk about the two major things I need in a glove. I need feel and I need protection. I need the feel to know what the front end's doing, how much input I'm giving on the bars. And I also need protection to feel, safe pushing on the racetrack. Right out of the gate, I immediately felt the feel. There's a lot of stretched Kevlar along the knuckle, as you can see right there. And that leads all the way up to the fingers. It allows your fingers and knuckles and everything to move freely without any hesitation. A lot of protection on the knuckles. You can't really see it, but this is actually sewed in from the manufacturer. Same thing on the fingers. And also you have the pinky bridge, which is super nice. You definitely need that in any glove that you're wearing. And on the impact zone, where people tend to drag their hands when they fall. I like it. It's nice and thin. Definitely a lot of protection because there's Kevlar. And since it's thinner than other gloves, it gives you a lot more feel, on the outside of your palm. You also have stretch panel when you're gripping the bars. That's always super nice to have in a glove. And definitely, down on the arm of your wrist, this is the best padding I've ever seen in any glove ever made. It's honestly pretty thick, but you can't feel it when you're riding, which is super nice. Lots of perforation along the glove. You also have perforation in between the fingers. I don't know if you can see that. And again, look at all that Kevlar. That's super nice. You're not going to have an issue with any of that wearing out. Also on the inside of the glove, all along the inside, as you can see, lots of Kevlar. Gives you a lot of protection. So after talking about the interior protection, let's talk about what the glove is actually made out of. It's made out of 5 different fabrics. You have goat leather, bovine leather, stretch Kevlar, kangaroo leather, and AR Shield Kevlar. This is actually a heat map to show you where the different leathers and fabrics are located. Knowing that I have those 5 different materials, protecting my hands will give me lots of confidence to be able to push on the racetrack. So I'm just going to tell you guys the truth. These are the best gloves that I've ever worn. I've worn some pretty amazing gloves, but these ones definitely top off the charts for sure. They're a bit pricey. They're $349.95, but you're definitely getting what you're paying for. Super high quality, all nice materials. And I'm actually going to be riding in these this weekend, so I'll do another review this upcoming Monday. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. I can already tell it's going to go amazing. And if you have any more questions, drop them off in the comments below. And again, I definitely recommend these gloves to all of you guys.